Alright, what I'd like to do is show you how to find logarithm form from exponential form. So what I have is, I have three exponential forms up here, and what we're going to do is we're going to transfer them to logarithmic form. Now if you remember logarithms, the reason why we developed logarithms is because we had a number, and we had to find what we needed to raise that number to get another number. So what we have here is, I'll just write log form here. So we have a log was a to the x equals y. And what that meant was a raised to some number gave us x, or a raised to some number gave us x. So I'd write a to the y equals x. So when we're going to be transferring this is logarithmic form, this is exponential form. So I gave you this form, we're just going to put it now into logarithmic form. So I'll work on this one last. This one first. So remember your base, this is your base of your logarithm. This is also the base of your exponential, right? Because a base and you have an exponent. Well, we say this is log base a of x. So that's probably the easiest way I like to start off. I know here's my base, so this has to be my base of my logarithm. Well, it doesn't make sense to say 5 raised to what number gives me 3, because that would be a fraction, right? But 5 raised to what number gives me 125? Well, we know that answer is going to be 3. Over here, my base is 81, so I write log of 81. And now here, it makes a little sense. Since I have 1/4, 81 raised to what number gives you 3? That number is 1/4. Over here, we have a e. And if you haven't seen an e before, when we're dealing with logarithms, that means for any other base. Except when we have the base e, we can use a natural logarithm. And that's the only time we're going to use natural logarithms, so you don't have to write the base e. I can just write ln, and it would be a base e, all right, of 1.6487 equals 1/2. And then over here, again, just look at the base. Log of u raised to the w power equals v. And that's how you transfer from exponential form to logarithmic form.